everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for always watching my channel. Today we are doing something special. We are doing an unboxing of these IEM cables. You may be wondering why is my content a little bit different today. It's because we actually received a Christmas present and this is the IEM that costs US $1,500. We thought that it's something special that we don't usually see, and I'm always envious of like celebrities when I see them sing on stage. They have this IEM and they will focus on the IEM, but we don't actually own it or get to try it. So yeah, that's why I decided to film down the process and to let everyone see how unboxing an IEM is, since I'm pretty sure not everybody gets to experience it. Okay, so can you tell us more about this IEM?
So this is actually the Effect Audio's latest IEM. So this is the IEM called Axiom. Yeah.
So I heard that it's the world's first IEM that the modulars can be changed?
So basically you can change out the modules of how the connector is determined. Basically it actually comes with the two most popular modules, the 2-pin and the MMCX, which we'll show later on. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you mean by you can change it?
Okay, so basically for this, what comes along with the box itself is actually two different modules that can change the connectors, which is the 2-pin MMCX, but in future they will come along with sound tuning chips. So you can actually change the tuning of how the IEM is like in future. So you can actually just change the modular unit without changing a new IEM.
Okay, I'm sure most of you are as confused as I am now. So we are going to unbox the video and later on he will explain to us what is it about, okay? So while unboxing, right, I noticed from other people's unboxing video that this Effect Audio actually have a unique way of packaging this box, where the seal is something where when you unbox, right, later I will show you, is this, not this, okay, so there's actually a seal here where I can tear it nicely. I thought that it was a nice touch, because usually when we unbox video, you will unbox from the top and then I will ruin it. And I'm someone who likes to keep the packaging because it's like my product's house. Do you want to tell them like why did Effect Audio do this? So it opens up so nicely.
So actually, apart from just being a product company, they actually come up with becoming more of practicality when users throughout the entire user experience, from unboxing all the way until the listening experience, which is why it makes it very simple for them to open it up. And then as you can see from here itself, you can see that there's this Chinese character looking kind of thing, which is actually it's like an imperial seal to kind of like show that to show how like it is a royal. Show like a royal statement to give the users like a royal experience of sorts. Yeah.
Okay, so something like some atas IEM. But you know what? The first thing that when I open this box up, right, I can smell like a tea aroma. What is it? Is it like perfume, or they all spray perfume? Did they spray perfume before that, or is it something else?
So actually in the box itself, you can smell that there's a fruity, kind of flowery kind of smell, which actually is the tea leaves that's actually at the bottom. So the tea actually is like a collaboration with Effect Audio from the Singapore tea maker called Griffon Tea Company. They actually provided the tea leaves. But unfortunately, because it's already opened up and then you can actually smell it, but you can't actually make the drink out of it.
I can't drink it.
Yeah,
Why?
sadly no.
Okay, so I think the tea bag is below, right? We will show it to you later. Okay, do you want to tell them more about like the change in modular or something?
Okay, so as we kind of unbox it, you can see that there's actually more. There's actually more to it.
Okay.
So you can see that there's actually another separate module chips. Which,
module chips.
Just bring it out, and so you can see that there's actually smaller module chips here. Actually, you can swap out later to fit the different kind of connectors for this case, and then you can also fit in the sound chip itself, so you can actually change the sound of the IEM as I previously mentioned. Yeah. So actually for this itself, you can see that for the design of the So for the design of this IEM, you can actually see that it comes with aluminium alloy, which is actually using recyclable material, and you can see that there's the jade at the side here. So this kind of it's called the Hertian jade, which is like kind of like a prized possession of, which is like synonymous to Chinese emperors back in the day, back in the past.
Jade. Wait, where is the jade? So like this material is made of jade.
Yeah, the Hertian jade.
So it's something like people wear the pendant then.
Yeah, there's something like that.
Okay. Do you want to show them about the modular thing? Because I'm sure everyone is curious about it and how does it look like?
Okay, so as mentioned previously, that the modular chips actually comes with you're able to swap it out, and then you can fit it to the different kind of connectors and termination based on how your cable is like. So for example, this is for the MMCX. You can see that. So this one you can change it, and then for there's also the two pin version of it, which is, I can just show you here with this one.
Make sure your fingers are not blocking.
Okay, and then you can fit it into a 2-pin connector cable, just like that.
So this extra modular is for this one, and then for yours it will be this one, is it?
Yeah, that's in the MMCX.
So you just sorry. Okay, so right side and right side. Correct. So just like that.
Yes.
Wow.
So in future there will be more chips like this that will actually be sold in stores where you're actually able to change up the sound of how the IEM sounds like. So right now this one is just for changing the connectors.
Changing the connectors? So can we actually, like, let's say if other companies does like modular system, can we exchange it, or can you like use different audio cables?
Currently the cables are paired with all the most popular ones around all the different cables. Basically, like all the big cable brands will also have the same type of connectors, which is the 2-pin and the MMCX. Yeah, and while she's fitting in the earpiece itself, there's also three ePro earbuds that actually comes along with it, so it can fit snugly into your ear, which you can see. This ePro is actually from Japan. So this goes behind your ear.
Okay, let's restart. So this is how it's worn. Yay! Can you see it? So one thing I realized is that the cables doesn't actually comes with box, and also this IEM doesn't comes with a cable. So actually, US $1,500, right? Doesn't include the cable, and this extra cable was $100 US.
So for Effect Audio itself, is famous for its cables. So basically, they believe that the cables actually make a difference to your overall experience, based on the materials used, such as copper material, silver, and gold material. They all actually make a different sound to it. So which is why they actually opt out having a stock cable, so that one is that most of their users already have the cable, and they know what kind of music they like to listen to and how the sound they like to listen, the sound signature that they like. And then two itself is that for those that are gonna get Axiom without a cable, they are able to go and figure out what kind of cables that they want. And also there's also a cable bundle which gives them a discount on what kind of cable, every kind of cable that they want to get as well.
So then how come the cables doesn't come with box? I thought usually people comes like with a plastic box to protect the expensive IEM cables.
So for this one itself, the box itself, actually you can see it's a very small compact box where you can actually bring out your entire setup as well as a cable with it. So this is one of the reasons why they excluded it out. And then for most users, they also do have their own casing itself to bring out already.
So it's something like this casing where I put my earpiece. It's not the expensive earpiece, so it's a little bit smaller, but you can still put it in, right?
Yeah, you can definitely fit that one in.
Okay, quite interesting to see that people will actually like bring this box out. Last but not least, we are going to show you the tea bag, which she mentioned just now. I can still smell the aroma, which is quite interesting because we didn't even brew the tea, so it looks like that. But sadly, it smells so nice, but I can't drink it. Okay, So thank you for watching this unboxing video. We hope that you learned something out of it, learning about what modulars are and changing of the cables. And hopefully you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. We hope that you can like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.